Miss Bell, gusto kong paghandaan ang dream college ng anak ko. I got you. Introducing our best-seller plan when it comes to preparing for the education of your children, the Sun Smarter Life Elite. Now, let me tell you why bakit paborito siya ng mga clients ko and even celebrity moms and parents. So first is it provides double life insurance benefit and lifetime coverage. So pagkatapos bayaran yung plan, actually insured na si baby until age 100. So parang yung apo mo pa sa tuhod ay makaka-benefit pa sa plan na to. That's why it's also called as multi-generational plan. Number two, it ensures guaranteed cash value that you can use in case of an emergency. Hindi naman natin alam yung buhay natin, minsan nasa baba, minsan nasa itaas, and in times of emergencies, meron tayong pwedeng parang takbuhan for in the form of cash value. So ano ba yung cash value? Ibig sabihin, pwede po tayong mag-loan against our policy so that we can get by at saka ma-survive natin yung mga emergencies na pagdadaanan natin. Number 3, it gives regular guaranteed cash benefits. And ito na yon. Actually, ito talaga yung gustong-gusto ng mga clients ko. At maging gusto mo rin. It gives regular guaranteed cash benefits. So, kasi tinatawag itong insurance with savings. So, itong guaranteed cash benefits na to, ito yung ating iipunin para sa educational funds ng anak mo. And it's not depending on the market, it's guaranteed. Kaya sa mga sigurista, ito yung gustong-gusto nila na plan. So guys, on the 6th year of the plan, meron na po kayong matatanggap na guaranteed cash benefits na iipunin natin. And that's going to be every 2 years, and that's 8% of the face amount of the plan until age 100 nyo siya matatanggap. And it's every 2 years. At kung hindi mo kukunin yung cash benefit every year, you can actually let it grow with Sun Life at average 4.5%. So every year, i-interest yung pera mo ng 4.5%, magko-compounding siya. So, lalaki siya ng lalaki until kailangan mo na, 'di ba? And also, meron din siyang non-guaranteed benefits. Actually, on the first year of the plan, pagkatapos mag 1 year, meron ka ng dividend from Sun Life, depending on our profitability. So guys, and lastly, offers fixed premiums and manageable payment terms. So, pag na-apply na natin at a certain age, hindi nalolobo yung presyo ng insurance. It's fixed. And also, you can pay 5 years or 10 years. So, mamili lang po kayo depende sa budget ninyo. And once you're done paying for the plan, guys, wala na kayong problemahin. You are going to be or your child will be insured for life. And again, on the 6th year pa lang ng policy, meron na siyang magtatanggap na guaranteed cash benefit which is 8% of the total face amount every 2 years hanggang mag 100 siya. So nakapagtapos na siyang mag-aral, maybe it even helped you fund for his or her marriage, nakapagnegosyo na, hindi po siya matatapos. So, until living ang inyong anak, meron siyang guaranteed cash benefit, may pamana ka sa anak mo. So, if you wanna know more about this plan, don't hesitate to message me. I can give you a personalized quote depending on your goals and budget. So, wag na pong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Ask about this plan. And if you want naman, ma'am, ayaw ko ng every 2 years, we also have a Sun Secure Income Plan, our latest Sun Life product, if gusto mo naman na every year yung cash benefit ni baby. So again, maraming salamat po. This is Belle from Your Wealth in Mind, a licensed Sun Life financial advisor. Follow me or message me if you want to know more. Bye!